Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we'll be solving one very interesting and challenging question from rational equations for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing our denominators cannot be 0. So our answer x cannot be 0, cannot be -2, cannot be -8, cannot be -10, cannot be -4 and can't be -6. Now we'll be subtracting 4 to both sides of the equation to get rid of numerator's variable. So I will write -4 both the sides, and this -4 we are going to split -1 -1 -1 -1, and this -4 we are going to split -2 -2. Let's do that. We will get x plus 1 over x minus 1 plus x plus 3 over x plus 2 minus 1 plus x plus 9 over x plus 8 minus 1 plus x plus 11 over x plus 10 minus 1. This is our left hand side. Now the term of RHS, which we will write 2x plus 9 over x plus 4 minus 2 plus 2x plus 13 over x plus 6 minus 2. Now we have to take LCM. So we will simplify each of the bracket from left hand side and from right hand side. We are going to get one decent rational equation, x plus 1 minus x over x, which is 1 over x, plus x plus 3 minus x minus 2 over x minus 2, which is 1 over x minus 2, plus x plus 9 minus x minus 8 over x plus 8, we will write 1 over x plus 8. Then we have x plus 11 minus x minus 10 over x plus 10, we will write 1 over x plus 10 in left hand side. In RHS, 2x plus 9 minus 2x minus 8, which will give us 1 over x plus 4 in the RHS, plus 2x plus 13 minus 2x minus 12 over x plus 6. We will write 1 over x plus 6. Now we will be using substitution. So let me write our equation here. Now we have 0 here, 2 here, 8 here, 10 here, 4 here, 6 here. So our middle point would be x plus 5. I will consider our substitution. Let's say x plus 5 equal to a. So we will write our equation in variable a. I will write 1 over x. X is a minus 5. So 1 over a minus 5 plus 1 over x plus 2. So we will write 1 over a minus 3 plus 1 over x plus 8. We will write 1 over a plus 3. Then we have 1 over x plus 10, which we will write 1 over a plus 5. In left hand side, in RHS, 1 over x plus 4. We have to write 1 over a minus 1. Then we have 1 over x plus 6, which will be equal to 1 over a plus 1. Now we are going to consider 1 over a plus 5 and 1 over a minus 5 altogether. Then we will consider 1 over a plus 3 and 1 over a minus 3 altogether. And in RHS we will write 1 over a plus 1 plus 1 over a minus 1. Now we have to take LCM. So in numerator we are going to write a minus 5 plus a plus 5, which will give us 2a over. In denominator a plus b times a minus b. We will use difference of two squares identity and write a square minus 5 square. So 2a over a square minus 25 plus a minus 3 plus a plus 3. So in numerator there will be 2a. In denominator, by difference of two squares formula, we can write a square minus 3 square. So a square minus 9 equal to, in numerator, a minus 1 plus a plus 1, which will give us 2a. And in the denominator, we will write a square minus 1 after using difference of two squares identity. Now we will take all the terms to one side and take 2a common. So we can write 2a is common. In the bracket, we'll write 1 over a square minus 25 plus 1 over a square minus 9 minus 1 over a square minus 1 equal to 0. We can use product 0 rule. So we will be writing either a equal to 0 or 1 over a square minus 25 plus 1 over a square minus 9 minus 1 over a square minus 1 equal to 0. So from our first equation a equal to 0, a was our substitution x plus 5. So we will write x plus 5 equal to 0. So from here we'll be getting our first real solution, which is negative 5. Now the turn of this rational equation. I will simplify these two terms first. So I need to write here 1 over a square minus 25. Then I will take LCM. So I need to write here the product of a square minus 9 with a square minus 1. In numerator we will write a square minus 1 minus a square plus 9 equal to 0. Plus a square minus a square will be over. We will write 1 over a square minus 25 plus 8 over a square minus 9 times a square minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will take LCM for the last time. So if I will write here our equation, here it is. Now we will write in the numerator a square minus 1 times a square minus 9 plus 8 times a square minus 25. And in denominator, we will write a square minus 25 times a square minus 1 times a square minus 9. So from this equation, we will write numerator must be equal to 0. So a square minus 1 times a square minus 9 plus 8 times a square minus 25 equal to 0. Now we will simplify. So we will get a power 4 minus 9a square minus 1a square minus 10a square plus 9 plus 8a square minus 200 equal to 0. Or we will write one quadratic equation a power 4 minus 2a square minus 191 equal to 0. Now we will assume a square, let us say a square, suppose this is equal to m. for real solutions, m must be positive. So we can write our equation in variable m. It must be quadratic. M square minus 2m minus 191 equal to 0. Now we will take minus 191 to the RHS. So we will write m square minus 2m, and in RHS we will write plus 191. Now we will be using completing the square method. So we need to add 1 to both sides, so that our LHS will give us 1 perfect square of m minus 1. So we can write m minus 1 whole square equal to 192, which can be written as 64 times 3, or we will write 8 square times 3. Now we will take square root both sides. So we will get m minus 1. This should be equal to plus minus 8 square root 3. Now we'll add 1 to both sides to get the value of m. So m will be equal to 1 plus minus 8 square root 3. Now we have two values of m, and our condition on m is m should be positive. So I can write here m equal to 1 plus 8 root 3, m equal to 1 minus 8 root 3. 8 root 3 is bigger than 1, so this quantity would be negative. We are going to reject. So our accepted m would be m equal to 1 plus 8 square root 3. Now m was our substitution, a square. So we will write here m equal to 1 plus 8 square root 3, which will be equal to a square. So we'll write 1 plus 8 square root 3. Now we will take square root both sides. So a will be equal to plus and minus square root of 1 plus 8 square root 3. Now a was x plus 5. So we will write here x plus 5 equal to plus minus square root of 1 plus 8 square root 3. So x will be equal to minus 5 plus minus square root of 1 plus 8 square root 3. So in total we have 3 real solutions. So if I will write here x1, so x1 was negative 5, x2 we will consider minus 5 plus square root of 1 plus 8 square root 3, and x3 will be equal to minus 5 minus square root of 1 plus 8 square root 3. So here we have 3 real solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.